Also for you this morning, immigration, it's an ongoing conversation in Rochester, and the talks, they continue tonight.
The group Communities United for Rochester Empowerment, or CURE, is hosting an immigration forum with Olmsted County Sheriff Kevin Torgerson and interim Rochester Police Chief John Sherwin. That's
right. KIMT News 3's Annalisa Pardo. She joins us now live this morning in Rochester to tell us what we can expect at tonight's talk that's happening.
Well, the event happening here at RCTC tonight is all about communication, transparency, and trust between local law enforcement and community members. The group CURE says they're unhappy with how Olmsted County is handling undocumented immigrants. Here's how we got to tonight's forum. Both Olmsted County Sheriff Kevin Torgerson and CURE organizer Che Lopez say concerns from the immigrant community have been an ongoing topic for a few years.
We want to know!
On June 1st of this year, CURE protested Sheriff Torgerson's handling of immigrants and presented him with a letter asking for change. Lopez says local law enforcement's collaboration with the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement is hurting the community.
Safety, but it threatens and jeopardizes the community safety because people aren't going to want to come forth to report crimes.
They're afraid to come forward because they're afraid that we, law enforcement, will take them into custody or turn them over to ICE. That's not the case. It's never been the case.
Despite having different understandings coming into the forum, coming out of the event, everyone has the same goal.
An important distinction to make, that we aren't immigration agents. We don't enforce federal law. We're local law enforcement, and our concern is about safety within our community.
And to build trust within the immigrant community here in Rochester, to be able to make public safety the real issue here.
Our number one goal here is public safety. We want people to be safe, regardless of where they come from or who they are. My biggest message, my biggest hope is that we can stop the fear, work with us, and we can move forward.
Now here's kind of a rundown of how the forum will go. It will start with an opening statement read by CURE, followed by undocumented immigrants sharing their experience in Olmsted County. Law enforcement will then have the chance to respond, and then the floor will be open to community members who may have questions. Live in Rochester, Annalisa Pardo, KIMT News 3.
All right, thank you very much, Annalisa. Now, CURE says it has invited the incoming Rochester Police Department Chief, Jim Franklin, who's expected to start the job this Thursday.
That's right, and we did reach out to Franklin to see if he would be in attendance, and we have yet to hear back as of this morning.
And if you're interested in attending this, the Immigration Forum will be in room 206 at RCTC's Kauffman Center. It's expected to go from 6:30 until 8 tonight.
Also,